Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Happy Tech Guru. Please subscribe to get latest video updates. In this video, I'm going to talk about some of the best features of ASP.NET MVC 6, which is actually part of .NET Core. So actually, as I discussed this thing in my previous video also, ASP.NET MVC is a big shift in terms of web application development technology which Microsoft has brought up. And when I'll talk about those features which MVC 6 has got, you guys will understand how much changes Microsoft has done in this version. So number one and most important for me is this Roslyn compiling. This Roslyn compiler is available now, and so the moment you do any change in your code, you need not to build your project every time. The compiler will do it at runtime. So for me, I don't know about what other people think, but for me it is one of the most important feature of MVC 6. No rebuild. You do changes and they will get reflected automatically. Well, that is awesome. Now the second thing which is quite important for me is inbuilt support to dependency injection. Earlier we used to implement some third-party dependency injection framework, but here with MVC 6 it is there inbuilt. You just need to keep on using it. Now then we have this side-by-side deployment, wherein you need not to copy the whole build, just drop the assemblies in the bin folder, and you are good without doing anything. And then they say that MVC 6 is cloud ready. So, well, there are so many things which they talk about in this context, but few or basically two things I would like to mention here. One is session state and the caching feature. So these two things are quite important for any application, and according to Microsoft, they adjust themselves automatically based on where the application is deployed. So yeah, so now earlier in web applications we have to make sure that the session states are managed properly and caching is done properly, because load balancing and other stuff when we deploy the application, those things used to create problem, but here that is gone. So this is a good thing that we have in MVC 6. Now one more thing which I like to emphasize here is basically merging these controllers. Like earlier we have these web pages, then MVC controllers, and then API controllers. Now it's everything one. Everything is merged together. So, and that's why I was talking in my previous lecture that it can make things difficult for web API development, because it can replace web API MVC 6. Yeah, it's a big change. Another thing which I want to talk about is we used to have this system.web assembly in all our web apps. Now somehow Microsoft is getting rid of it. So there is no dependency, and because of that they are saying that it will improve the performance of the application. So yeah, one of the good features. So these were the features which I think are really good in .NET Core and actually in ASP.NET MVC 6. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much for watching it.